welcome to my channel once again. And in today's tutorial, we're still going to use AI tools to see how we can leverage on them for our data analysis profession. So in today's tutorial, I have this data set which I've copied the first 50 rows. So what I want to do is I'll provide it to Gemini and ChatGPT for them to help us maybe draw insights from it. So I'll first of all tell Gemini that I have this data set copied from an existing file which has the first 50 rows, comma, can you help me with the analysis and insights I can draw from, full stop. I will paste it below and convert it to a tabular form. Okay, so I'll paste the data set. Right, so I'll copy all this once again since I'll give it to ChatGPT. So let's see what Gemini has for us. So this is what Gemini did for us. Sure, I can help you analyze the data in the table. Here are some insights you can draw. Canada is the most frequent country. Okay. So this is what Gemini gave us. Right. So I'll go to ChatGPT and give same so that we compare the responses. So I'll first of all paste this, then I will paste the data itself. Okay, so let's see what Gemini has for us. Sorry, what ChatGPT has for us. So ChatGPT created the tabular form that we requested and also gave us what some of the analysis that we can do. It gave us the summary statistics and also gave us some basic analysis. Okay, so we can use these AI tools to help us at least know what we can do to our data set. So assuming you have a data set that you want to practice with, you can submit them to these AI tools. But I think ChatGPT rather gives a more better response than Gemini based on the output that I received. Okay, let me tell Gemini something. Can you generate the data in a tabular form? The data I provided. So you see, even with AI tools, if you don't provide them with the right prompt, you cannot get any correct response. Okay, so basically this is how we can use. So preferably maybe we can use ChatGPT more when we want to work on our data. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class.